Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So please excuse my voice because I'm still ill, but today I want to share with you 3 types of easy hairstyles for Christmas or New Year's Eve, and they're super easy. You don't really have to invest in anything. I'm sure you have at home everything we'll do in this tutorial, so let's get started. First, I curled my hair really easily and fast. It was just in a ponytail. I curled it with my flat iron and that's it. It's not a big deal. It was super fast. In 2 minutes I was done. These type of hairstyles are everywhere right now, so everywhere I scroll I keep seeing bows in hair. On TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, they're everywhere. So I think it's bow season this month. Everyone is wearing them, and I just found I have like a little stash of ribbons, and I have some velvet ones, some satin ones. It doesn't matter, you can choose whatever you have. I'm sure you have somewhere, maybe from some wrappings, maybe an organza one, maybe, I don't know, I'm sure you have a lot of ribbons in the house. So I want to start out with this hair claw, because they're also in. I keep seeing them everywhere right now. I just have a little brown one, not so little, but I love this brown one because it gets lost kind of in my hair, so it's kind of seamless, but you can choose whatever you want or you have at home. And I just made a bow out of this velvet ribbon, and of course I chose red. So first of all, just take a hair tie and take all your hair to back, and I will section only my top hair right here. I will make a little ponytail, and on the third loop I leave it like this, separate it in two, and just switch it right here, and take your claw with the bow, and this way this section right here, it's in the air like so. So this way you have an elegant, easy hairstyle for Christmas. If you don't like this type of I don't know, this little palm tree right here, you can skip this step, but the ribbon, it's super cute. So now I'm going to leave the ponytail right here, but I'm going to take the hair tie a little bit down, because I'm going to make a hole here in the hair and just place it right here. So now we have this little model right here. I'm going to take my velvety ribbon, place it under the ponytail. Now I'm going to take another section of hair and put it over the velvet ribbon, doing the same for the other part, and just tie it. Like so. So another ribbon, but now all your face is cleared out and everything is in the back. Super easy, and you can wear it with any dress, especially if it's more like a complicated dress right here, or just simple pullover, because as you can see I also have this Perkins neck type of sweater and of blouse, and it looks better with my face clear, so that's why I chose this type of hairstyle. Okay, so the last one is another viral hairstyle I saw on TikTok and on Instagram, so I really had to try it for you guys because it's really that simple. Put your hair back, all the way back. Just grab your hair like you're doing a ponytail, a higher one, and just section your hair in two parts like so, and twist it twice. You can twist it once also, but I like to twist it twice for better hold up. Grab your hair claw and just secure that knot like so, and put your hair back. And now you have a voluminous hair. It's like a ponytail, but better and more elegant. If you like to have your hair just in a ponytail, or you don't have time to do something complicated, I think this is super easy, and it's more of a twist of the classic hair claw hairstyle. So it's super easy and cute, and I think if you wear it like this to a family gathering, everyone will ask you how did you do it, and it makes your hair longer. So as you can see, if I would just have it in a normal, you know, with the clip, it would be just until this, and now it looks like I have hair extensions. It's super convenient. I think it looks very good and elegant, and you can pose like this, just wear it in on the side and pose like this, and you're good to go, and you look perfect in every family photo. This was it for today, ladies. I really hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. I really like all the hairstyles. I'm going to wear them all these holidays, and please let me know in the comment below what would you like to see more on my channel. Maybe makeup, hairstyle, vlogs, or I don't know. If you have other ideas, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much, and kisses. Mwah! Bye bye.